She in the back, she in a Birkin. Always in the feelings attitude, but she still fade. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the block, run in your mouth, we close your curtains. That ass shaking when she working. Stomach flat, ass so fat, just watch me work it. Mop 'em up, chopper sweeping like a broom. It's a head.
What's up, guys? It's Stream being on Zach with another video for you guys. No long intro today. I'm just gonna jump straight into this video. Today I'm going to be testing out a color from my Valentine's Day gloss. So I just decided to do it on camera so I can show you guys how to make a lip gloss. So first things first, you're gonna sanitize your table. I usually put a garbage bag down because I do not like the Versagel getting all over the table. It's sticky, it's messy, and yeah, you guys get the point. And then you're gonna need oils of your choice. I usually use coconut oil, castor oil, some jojoba oil, I hope I'm saying that right, and some vitamin E. You guys do not need to use these specific oils. This is the ones I use in my lip gloss. You can use any oils of your choice. And then you're gonna need some Versagel. I'm gonna put some glitter in mine and some mica powders and your handy dandy gloves. So let's get started, guys. Since it is a Valentine's Day gloss, I decided to go with this pink mica powder. I think it's the perfect color for a Valentine's Day gloss. And as I said, I am testing this out, so I am going to mix up the color in this little glass cup thingy majig right here. So I'm gonna add the mica powder in there, and then I'm just gonna mix it up with my oil. So I like to start with my base oil, and that is the coconut oil. I usually melt this down, but it is kind of liquefied already from it being so warm in my house. So I'm just gonna place it right here in this jar. I'm not too worried about the little clumps in there. They will dissolve when I mix up the lip gloss. So next I'm just going to take some castor oil and just squirt it in there. I do not measure because I know exactly how I like the consistency of my lip gloss to be. So I just usually eyeball it, and if I need more oil in the end, I add it to the mixture. So then you just want to add your jojoba oil and some vitamin E oil, because vitamin E is so good for your lips. So you just want to place like a few drops in there, probably like 3 drops. And then you are just going to mix this all together. As I said, I am just testing this color, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to keep it for my gloss color or not. And I think I actually really like this color. I think it'll be a great Valentine's Day gloss, so I'm going to go ahead with it. So now you just want to put the oil into your Versagel just like so. Okay, let me stop playing. I just thought we needed a little dance break. But back to making the gloss. So we're just going to mix this all together like so. And I can already see that I'm going to have to add more oil to this gloss. It's too thick at the moment. Look at this consistency. This is not the consistency that you want to have your lip gloss be. So I'm going to go in and just add some more of the coconut oil. And not too much because you don't want to overdo it. Just little by little, just go in and add. And I still have more color, so I'm going to add some more of that and just give it another mix. And this is actually coming out to be a very pretty color, guys. I really like it, so I just might keep this color. So you just want to mix it until it gets to like a consistency like about there. I think that is a great consistency. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. Hey, look at that flick of that wrist. Look at that flick of that wrist. No, but guys, yes, this is the consistency that you want your lip gloss to be. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put my glitter in there. This is a white holographic glitter. Actually, I think it has a few colors in there. It has gold, it has silver, and white. So we're just going to mix that in like so, just to give the lip gloss a little pop, a little shimmer. And I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it looks amazing. And oh my god, guys, look at this texture. So silky smooth. The consistency is just perfect. I don't know about you, but it's so satisfying to watch lip gloss. So then what you want to do is take your flavoring. I'm going to be using the strawberry flavoring, and as you can see, I'm having trouble opening the package, so I'm just going to rip it out. So then yeah, I'm going to be using the strawberry flavored scent. It is so yummy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So you just want to put a few drops in there, and then you are just going to continue to just mix up your gloss. So yep, mix, mix, mix. And as you can see, guys, I can't stop smelling this gloss. It smells so freaking yummy. Oh my gosh, it smells like a fresh batch of strawberries. Like, oh my gosh, strawberry shortcake. You guys really don't understand. You have to be here to actually smell it in person. But yep, this is the final product. I actually love this color. So I'm going to just put it in this little jar because I still have to sanitize my tubes that I'm going to be putting them in. And the tubes are so cute, guys. I can't wait to show you guys. And now I actually have to figure out a name for this gloss. I really love the name Love Letter, so that's what it's probably going to be. And I'm just showing you guys the gloss once again, and I am going to do a little swatch for you guys just so you can get a little idea of how it looks. It's a clear gloss with a little shimmer, and it glides on so smooth, and moisturizing for your lips. And yes, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bar. And I'm out.
In the back, she in a Birkin. Always in the feelings attitude, but she still fade. We ain't missing us for certain. Spin the block.